The new E-Class W213 offers a broad range of equipment. The digital vehicle key for a smartphone is one highlight. Before customers can order this optional extra, they should check whether their smartphone is compatible with the digital key functions. To do this, they access their account in the Mercedes-Me portal. When registering for the first time, customers have to confirm the terms of use in order to be able to use all of the functions. If customers already have a Mercedes-Me account, they still need to check whether the digital key function has already been selected. Select the following function on the main Mercedes-Me menu, Digital Key on Smartphone. You can see which mobile devices already support the function. If you own one of the smartphones listed, enter your mobile number to verify it. You receive an activation code via SMS. Enter this code. Now your smartphone is linked with your user account. Then check whether your smartphone is compatible with the digital key services. The smartphone has to have an NFC SIM card from Vodafone, and the wallet app needs to be set up. In our case, the compatibility check was successful, and the customer can order the digital key for his new E-Class. When the customer collects the vehicle, the sales representative has already linked the vehicle identification number with the Mercedes-Me customer account. The customer then has to activate the digital key in the Mercedes-Me port. Until then, the original key is required.